Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher Fatima Ayaz from the Nexus Education System Head Office Campus Bahawalpur. And today the lecture that I'm going to deliver is on managing database through MS Access. So in the last lecture, the table that we form uh, in the two portions, that is the top pane. This portion is called the top pane and this is the bottom pane. So it is on the screen. In that we first mention the roll number. Okay, let me give you an overview of this. Okay, in the first step, I'm just giving you the hints and the bullet points from the previous lecture. In the first step, we just click on this button create and then we create a table of design view. After clicking on this button, this window will appear on your screen, top pane and bottom pane. After that, you will write it what field you want to add here. For example, roll number, and roll numbers are in number. Then you are gonna select from here whether it is a number, short text, long text, date, time, currency, or what else you want to add. Same is the case. Next, you have added name, it is a short text, age, it is a number, date of birth, date and time, father's name, it is a short text, and telephone number, it is a number. Okay, after this, I saved this file with STU8A. STU means student of class 8A as per your book. So this was our previous lecture and we have attempted it. In today's lecture, the next topic that we are having is entering data in the table. After saving this file, we are gonna click on it. Here you can see the portion of home. Okay, here you can see this option of view. You're gonna select it and this option will give you two more options, datasheet view and design view. This is the design view. Now we are going to shift towards the datasheet view, and in the datasheet view we are gonna add uh, what we have designed here. Okay, let's see what it is. Here, ID, roll number, name, age, date of birth, father's name, telephone number, and if you want to add something else. First, we have created uh, the design view, and we created the table in design view in top pane and bottom pane, and after that when we save the file we get this view. In this view, the things that we added in the top pane are given on the top. That is roll number, name, age, date of birth, father's names, and else. Here, if you remember that in roll number, we just added number. In roll number, the category that we choose was number. Here, if I press A, S, D, F, so they are giving us the option the value you enter does not match with the number data type in this column, because we have entered the specification for this column was number, and here G, D, D, G, these alphabets are not getting matched with it, so it is giving us the option. So we are gonna remove it. Now it is okay. Okay, in name we are gonna enter, for example, Ali, and age 13 years old, date of birth, for example, what you can take any of the example, and then comes father's name and telephone number 09, what else you want to add. So this is how you shift from a design view table to a proper data sheet based table. First you're gonna just add the file. After adding the file, you're gonna change the view. In the view there are specific options that how you want to see that in the datasheet form or in the design view form. So after creating the design view form, we are going to shift towards the datasheet form, and this will be appear on your screen, and you can enter as much information as you want. So this was all in the topic entering data in the table. After completing it, what you're gonna do, if you want to print it, you can print the file. Okay, control P. After pressing control and P, you can print the file, you can save the file, you can make amendments in the file, and here you can see the option of print, you can see the option of close. So if you want to close this, you can close this by clicking on the button. So this was all in today's lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss the exercise, and your today's homework is to do question number D, E, and F. So question number D is write down the steps to open MS Access. I'm gonna tell you the page number, and you're gonna do it and attempt it by your own. The steps for opening MS Access is on page number 55 on the very top, and you're gonna attempt it and write it down shortly and concisely. Your question number E is basically write down the steps to create table structure. So the steps to create table structure is on page number 57, the whole topic basically defining a table structure. So there are basically the steps mentioned, that click on the table tab under the objects, and after that create table, and then use the top pane, and then use the bottom pane. This is quite long and theoretical answer, whereas you are going to attempt it shortly. You're going to convert it in your own words and then write down on your notes. After that, we are having question number F, that is describe the function of two panes in a table window. It is also on page number 59. In the second paragraph, bold words have been written, top pane and bottom pane, and these are almost 3 to 4 lines, and you may get answer from it. So that was all. Take care of yourselves as well as your family, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel, and do comment also. Allah Hafiz.